If you want to set up or fix your Facebook pixel and conversion API from someone but you don't want to share your business manager access, then you need to share some information from your Facebook pixel. So those information will be the pixel ID, test event and access token. So how can you do that? I will show you step by step. So first, search for Facebook Business Manager. Then go to the all tools, click on the event manager, then select the business manager where you want to set up the Facebook pixel. So in my case it will be this one. So here is the Facebook pixel in dataset. Click on that. Now first we need to share our pixel ID. So go to the setting, here is our pixel ID. Okay, click on that, it will be copy over here and paste it, then come back again, then test event, select the channel. So we want to track our information from a website, that's why I select the website. If you do offline conversion tracking, then you can select the offline. Click on website. Here you will find the test event, so copy that, come back here again and paste it here and go back there again. Now again go to the settings and scroll down. Here you will find the generate access token section. Okay, so generate access token. Sometime it will take a bit of time, so just wait. Here is our access token, so paste here and send the information. Sometime you could be face some problem, so what it could be and how to solve that, I'll also give you the solution. So if I go this business manager, you will face that problem for just the access token. I think for pixel and test event you will not get any problem. So if we use this business manager, let me go. Select a pixel. If we go to the setting, scroll down, if we come here to the generate access token, it show us you must be an admin or developer for this business portfolio to create an access token. So it could be a problem, so then don't panic, just take the admin access for this business manager or the pixel ID or the dataset. You can generate the access token. So that's it. Sometimes one other problem you can face, it told you to verify the email, so also that's not a big problem. Just you verify your email with that business manager where you want to set up the pixel, then it will give you the access token. So that's it. It's a very